The HP Z440 Tower Workstation is a single-socket platform for design professionals, civil engineers, architects, and post-production. It supports the latest enterprise technology for performance, resiliency, and adaptability to suit your changing business needs. ISV certified for optimal performance with the latest industry-leading software. The HP Z440 Workstation is HP's mid to entry-level platform for professionals working in design, financial analysis, and geology, but it will still run circles around your typical PC. Featuring the latest technology, coupled with high-performance graphics support from NVIDIA and AMD, help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. With its impressive performance credentials, it will more than satisfy the majority of workstation users. This is a great system for CAD professionals working in both 2D and 3D when paired with a professional graphics card from NVIDIA or AMD. Like the Z640 and Z840 workstations, this system is ISV certified for effortless performance when running intensive software applications used by design professionals, financial analysts, and geologists. ISV is an acronym for Independent Software Vendor. This means the software, hardware, and components have been tested by the software manufacturer to ensure compatibility and stable, reliable performance. You have choices when it comes to processors, which can significantly affect cost. This system features the Intel C612 chipset and supports both the E5-2600V3 with up to 8 cores at speeds of up to 2133 MHz, or the E5-2600V4 processors with up to 4 cores and transfer speeds of up to 2400 MHz. Both E5-2600V3 and V4 processors feature integrated PCIe 3.0 controllers. Optionally, the E5-1600V3 and E5-1600V4 processor are also supported, boasting 4 to 8 cores. Intel Turbo Boost technology and hyperthreading is supported but not with all processors. The single processor supports 8 DIMM slots total and 4 channels for a maximum of 128 GB. Only registered RDIMM DDR4 DIMMs are supported. DDR3 DIMMs are not. Installing more than 4 memory modules requires the HP Z440 memory cooling solution. Memory speeds of 2400 MHz requires an E5-2600V4 processor, along with memory modules that supports this speed. E5-2600V3 processors are only capable of 2133 MHz maximum, and memory modules will run at that speed even if the stated speed is 2400 MHz. Memory speed will default to the slowest performer between memory modules and CPUs. Up to 4 storage devices are supported on the system, but the third and fourth drives require a 2:1 5.25-inch external bay adapter, which supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch HDD and SSDs. Both SATA, SAS self-encrypting, and hybrid HDDs and SSDs are supported on the Z440. There's also a removable boot drive option, and using an HP Z Turbo Drive Quad Pro in one of the PCIe slots provides up to 4 additional M.2 solid-state drives for an additional 2 TB of storage. Single and dual M.2 SSD carriers are also supported. It should be noted that PCIe SSDs are not available with a SAS controller and require the HP24 fan and front card guide kit. You have options for hard drive controllers starting with the integrated SATA 6.0 gigabits per second HD controller and factory integrated RAID on the motherboard for SATA drives. For RAID support on Linux systems, all drives must be identical in type and capacity. PCIe SSDs cannot be used in a boot RAID configuration. There are 6 PCI slots total, 3 PCIe 3.0, 2 PCIe 2.0, and a legacy PCI slot. Here again you have options for increased performance and I/O with a range of supported GPUs supporting applications from professional 2D graphics to high-end 3D graphic rendering using either NVIDIA Quadro or AMD FirePro graphics cards. There's also support for up to 8 displays, but that will require 2 graphics cards that support 4 monitors each. Other options are PCIe M.2 NVMe drives for super fast storage, Thunderbolt 2.0, audio cards, Ethernet, and HD controllers. There are also several USB ports for connecting additional external devices. Power is provided by either a 525W 85% efficient or 700W 90% Efficient Power Supply Unit, PSU. The 700W PSU is recommended when installing more than one graphics card or to support multiple expansion slots. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.